All right, let's discuss simultaneous equation. Now, in discussing simultaneous equation, some things are to be noted. First off is that one, if we have a variable that is a here with another variable that is b and is equal to 2, this a is still what will follow it. Let's say we have 2a here. This b will still be what will follow it. And then this constant will still be what will follow it, like this. This is called simultaneous equation. But there are in other cases where they will scatter the letters. But in your arrangement, know that you must arrange them sequentially. Now, it could be X and Y, it could be P and Q, it could be C and D. Whatever the letter is, you must arrange them together. Arrange the up one and then arrange the down one together. So that means if A is starting it, A should end it here. If B is starting it, B should end it here. P is starting this, P should end it. Q should end it. That's how it works. Number two is that we use two methods in solving this. Two methods. First method is called elimination method. And the second method is called substitution method. So this is how we solve this. And then this is all we need to know about this. So with this said, let's do something. Now, I'm going to be using the two method, elimination and substitution, to solve two questions. We're solving two questions, and then we use it to solve them together. So number one here, we are told to solve this. A plus 2b, that will give us 13 here. And 2a minus 3b here, this will give us 5. So I want to use the both method to solve this. So how do we go about it? Now, this is the first thing we have to do. First step. Step one, I'm using elimination method first. Elimination method is what I want to use first. This elimination method. Elimination method first. Now, first thing is this. I'll put my equation 1 and 2. That's the first thing you do. Second thing is that, look at this. We know that for me to be able to get my A, I will use this. I will make sure that this B, the coefficient of this B are the same. Look, the coefficient here is 2, coefficient here is 3. So for me to get A, I will have to make sure that they're the same so that I can eliminate it. For me to get B, I will have to make sure that A's are the same so that I can eliminate it. Coefficient of A here is 1, coefficient of A here is 2. So they are all different. Coefficient here is 1, here is 2. Coefficient here is 2, here is 3. They are different coefficients, so you cannot divide. So the first task is to see how to make either A or B, the coefficient of A or B, same numbers. That's the first task. To make A or B same numbers, their coefficient should be the same. So coefficient is what we are looking at, first number, making the coefficient to be the same. Now, how do I do that? You will decide which of the coefficients you want to make the same. You will decide. If you want to make A to be the same, you take the coefficient of A up and down, multiply. If you want B to be the same, you take the coefficient up and down to also do the same thing. So please note that, it's very important. So for me, because I have plus and minus here, I want to use this one. So I will multiply this 2 now by this 2. Use the up one to multiply the down one. Use the down one to multiply the up one. So that is how it is. Because I want to make B the same thing. So it's up to you, whichever one you like. So let's multiply now. We'll multiply this now. I have 3a plus, this will give us 6b. And this will give us what? 39. This becomes my equation 3. Multiply this. I have 4a minus, I have 6b. And then this will give us what? 10 as my equation 4. So this is it. Now observe, these two are the same thing. Why B and A here are different coefficients. So if I wanted to use A to be the same coefficient, I would have taken 1 to multiply 2, then this 2 to multiply 1. You see that A will come out the same number. So this is how it works. Now from this point now, step 2, I will rule a line, and then this can cancel. Plus 6 minus 6 will give you 0. We don't need 0. So this is what we need. This and this are now plus. Now do the math. I'm having 7a here. Do this one here. I'm having 49 here. So here I'm looking for A. Remember, in simultaneous equation, we are looking for A and B. So from this part now, I will divide here by 7 here. And I will divide here by 7 here. So that this take away this take away this. A becomes 7. This is how this is done using elimination method. So we have gotten A, remaining B. So how do I get B now? I will simply say put or substitute, anyone you like. Put A equals to 7 into any equation you like. You can decide to use any equation of your choice. You are correct. So me, I'm using equation 1 here. I'll copy equation 1 out. I have that A plus 2B. That will give me 13 here. So this is it. Now, anywhere I have A now in this equation now, I'll put 7 there. So I'm having A here now. So this is 7 plus 2B. That will give me 13. So do the math. Take this one over here. I'll have that 2B will give me 13 minus 7. So 2B here will give me what? This here will give me 6. Divide here now by 2. So this is 2. And then this is 2. This can take care of this. This take care of this. B becomes 3. So this is it. So my B and my A are gotten. Now, let's check if we are correct. Watch. If I put A, the value of A and the value of B here, I should be able to get 13. So let's try that. A here is 7. This is A, is 7 here. Plus B is 6 and is 3. So if I multiply 2 times 3, what do I get? I will get 6. 2 times 3 here is 6. So if you add 6 plus 7 now, do the math, you're going to have 13. So that means that these 2 and 3 are correct. So this is how you do elimination method. Same as this. If I put 2 here, 2 times, remember that A is 7. So 7 times 2 will give me 14. 14 minus this one will give me 9. 3 times 3, B is 3 here, 9. Subtract 14 from 9 from 14. I'm going to get 5. It's correct. So this is how you use elimination method to solve this. So we are done. Now I want to solve using substitution method. This same question using substitution method. So I'll take it out. Take this one out. So from here, what do I know to do? So we are doing substitution method now. Now, in substitution method, the following should be noted in substitution method. The following should be noted. Now, what am I to note? Note that you are going to make from equation 1 subject of the formula. Either you make A or B subject of the formula in order for you to be able to substitute from equation 1. So look at this. I'll say from equation 1. Take equation 1 out. So I have A plus 2B to give me 13. So this is it. Now, you can decide to make B or A some of the formula. For me, A is already easy to make some of the formula. So I will take this one over here. This one, take it over here. I'll have that A will give me 13 minus 2B here. So I have gotten this. Since this is my equation 1. Since this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2, here becomes my equation 3. So this will enable me to get the value of A faster. Now let's go ahead. Since I've gotten equation 3, remember I've not used equation 2 for anything. This equation 3 was gotten from equation 1. So here now, I will say put equation 3 into equation 2 that I have not used for anything. So I'll copy equation 2 out. I have 2A minus 3B. That will give me 5. This is it. Now, anywhere I see A now, I'll put this value, 13 minus 2B. So I have A here. I'll say 2 into bracket, 13 minus 2B here, then minus 3B here. That will give me 5. Open this bracket. I'm having 26 here, minus 4B here, minus 3B here. This will give me 5. Collect like terms. If I take this 26 over to me this one, this is 4B and 3B. So if I bring them out, I'm going to have 7b. That's minus 4b minus 3b, 7b. And this will give us 5 minus 26. Here, I'm having 7b here to give me 21 as my value. I'm looking for b now. I'll divide here by 7, minus 7. So that this can take care of this. This can cancel this. B becomes minus 3. B becomes minus 3 as my value there. So this is how that is done going further. Now, another thing again we need to know is that once you have gotten the value of your B here, okay, sorry, this is minus 21, please, because 5 can take this one to give us minus 21, please. Minus 21, please. So that minus cancels minus. So here becomes 3. And that thing to note is that either you use elimination method or coefficient or substitution method, you are supposed to get the same answer. So remember, our B is equal to 3. So that is what I've gotten here. So now that I've gotten this now, for me to be able to get my A now, I'll go back to this 3 because we say let A be equals to this. Now that does not mean you cannot use equation 1 or 2. You can use equation 1 or 2 if you like. It's up to you. We'll get the same answer. Now going further now, I will say from here now, I will say put B equals to 3 into equation 3. That's what I'm having here. So copy equation 3 out. I have that A will give me 13 minus 2b. So what is my A therefore? What is my B? Anyway, I see B now, I'll put 3. So this becomes 3 here. So A will give us 13 minus 6. Do the math. 13 minus 6 here will give us 7. So you can see that A was 7, B was 3 in elimination method. Same thing as this. In substitution method, we still have the same thing. It's quite simple. This is how you do that. Next up, I'll solve another question now, and then now look at this number 2 question here. So we have 5x minus 19 to give me 2y and 3y plus 18 to give me 4x. Now look at this critically. This is the same thing. Now I want to use elimination method first to solve this. Elimination method to solve this. Now, I told you that in elimination method, if you want to use elimination method to solve, you must note that the variable here, the x that is here, starting this up equation, equation 1, should allow for x to be here. But this is y. That means that we have to rearrange. Next up, this constant is supposed to be outside. It's supposed to be outside. So since we have x starting it, that means y should be next. So we have to rearrange. So we say rearrange. Rearrange. So I will start from this. Here I have 5x. Now we'll take this one inside. This is plus 2y. Take it inside. That will give me minus 2y. Then minus 19 goes over. That becomes plus 19. That is settled. So this is my equation 1 now. Same as this now. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this one now. This one, this is how you do it. Since this is plus, this one is plus. See, I'll take this one to meet it here, this one to meet it here. So I will start from 4x here, plus 3 going over here will give us, so that we'll have it arranged like this. Then equals to, note that, please watch me, watch me. Note that if I take this one, you know, I'm taking this one coming here. I'm not taking this one anywhere. This one is still remaining plus. So please note that I only took this one here, equal to this. So here becomes 18, please. Becomes 18. I'm not touching it. If I was taking minus plus 18 over, it should have become minus 18. So please note that. So from this part now, what do I know? Note that the value of x here, they are different from the value of y. So we have to make it balance. So how do we do that now? It's your choice. You will choose what you want. Now, Let me make this one the same value. So I will take this 5 now, multiply it by equation 2. And I'll take this 4, multiply it by equation 1. This is what I'm having here. So using this to multiply all these ones now, I'm having 20x minus 8y. That will give us this will give me 76. I call this my equation 3. This is giving me 76. Now 5 here, this become 20x minus 15y. Then this will give me that will give us 90 as my equation 4. So this is it here. So what else do I know to do? In this case, these are minus. See, these two numbers are having plus here. They cannot divide. Plus 20 will give us plus 40. Minus 8y minus 15y will give us minus 23. So they cannot divide. So how do I change them for it to divide? The down part, multiply everything by minus in the down part. So if you multiply here by minus now, the minus affects this one. Here is plus ordinarily. Here it becomes minus. Minus affects this one. Here become plus. Minus affects this one now. Here plus. Here becomes minus. So that plus 20 can cancel minus 20 here. So if I do that, this can take care of this. Now, what do I have there now? This can cancel. Now I have 8 minus 8 take away 15. Minus 8 take away 15. So this will give us 7y equals to 90. And this will give us minus 14. This is what we are having. This minus this will give us this. So divide here by 7, divide here by 7. This cancels, and I'm having minus 2y. This is what I'm having here. Now, I've not gotten my x. So what do I do now? I'll say put or substitute. Anyone you like to use, put or, you put substitute. Anyone you are correct. So y equals to minus 2 into any equation of your choice. Any equation of your choice. Let me use equation 4. Any equation of your choice. We're going to get the same answer. So now for my choice here, note that if I want to take this minus 20, that means I'll take minus 20, I'll take plus 15 and then minus 19. Or if I don't want to take minus, originally they were plus. This is plus, this is minus 15, and this is plus 90. So any one of them you want to take, you are correct. So me, I want to take this sign that is here like this. So I will take minus 20x plus 15 minus 90. So if you want to do your own trial, you can take plus originally. Here was plus originally. So here plus, here is minus, and then here is plus. So me, I want to take the minus sign. So I'm taking minus 20 out. So I have minus 20x here. Then plus, please. If I'm taking minus 20, I'm taking plus. Then everything here. Then this will give me 15y. Then I have minus 90 here. So this is what I'm having here. Now, anyway, I see y now, put minus 2. So I have this one to give us 15 into bracket minus 2 to give me minus 90 here. So minus 20x here will give me minus 30. That will give me 90 here. Take this one here. I'll have that minus 20x here will give me 90 plus 30. That's what I'm having now. 90 plus 30. So from this point, what do I know to do? From this point, we will now say from this point that minus 20x here would therefore give us, put 10 here, I'm having 100, that will give us 120 here. So divide here by minus 20. You know, this take care of this. X now drops. So if I divide this one, 0 cancels this. Here, I'll have minus 60 as my value. This is what I'm having when you do your... Oh, this is minus, please. Oh. Sorry, this is minus. It's minus, please. Minus. So when I take care of that, This is minus, please. So here will then give us minus 60, please. Minus 60. This is minus 90. So divide here by minus 20, minus 20. So that this take care of this. Minus cancels this. And then here, I'm having 3x. 3 as my value. This is how you do this. This is how this is solved. So don't forget that my y is minus 2. My x is my x is 3. Don't forget that because we want to use substitution method now. So now this elimination method. Now let's use substitution method. Using substitution method now. Remember I said I'm using both method. Please kindly do well to share. Kindly do well to click the plus sign. Follow for more. Tell this to your sisters and brothers, those in GSS, those in secondary school, those who are writing post-UTME, those who are writing JAM. Just tell them about this channel. You are learning a lot here. So next, let's use substitution method now. So using substitution method. Substitution method. So now, in this case, now I don't need to rearrange. I don't need to arrange this. All I need to do is to pick any value of my choice from equation 1. Remember, this is my equation 1. This is my equation 2. I don't need to rearrange. I will just take from equation 1. So I'll say from equation 1, I'll pick this one out, 5x minus 19. That will give me this. Make anyone subject of the formula as you want. So I want to make x. So first, I will take minus 19 over. I'll have that. Here will give me this one. I'm taking minus over. That will become plus 19. So I will divide. I want to make x over the formula now. I'll divide it by 5. Divide all of this one by 5. So that this can take care of this. So I have that 2y plus 19 over 5. This becomes my equation 3. Remember that this is my equation 1, this is my equation 2, and that becomes my equation 3. So from here, remember I've not used equation 2 for anything. So I will say put equation 3, this equation 3, put equation 3 into equation 2 because I've not used this one for anything. So I'll copy it out. I have 3y plus 18 to give us 4x. So anywhere I see x now, I'll put all this one there now. So I have that. Here becomes 3y plus 18 here. And this will give me 4 into bracket. So I have 2y plus 19 over 5 here. So everything will give me, remember we have equals to 4x here. So now I have this value plus 18 here. Now look at this, please. Let me explain this. This 4, if I'm opening this bracket, this 4 is only affecting the numerator. It's not affecting the denominator. But if I want to divide, let's say this can divide this or this can divide this, I can divide. But when I'm opening the bracket, like multiplying through, this 4 cannot affect this. It can only affect when I want to divide them. So 4 cannot divide 5 here, obviously. 5 cannot divide 4, obviously. So because it cannot divide now, I will just open bracket. So the 4 only affect the numerator alone. So this and this now will give us 8y plus I have 76 here. Then over 5 here, everything here will give me 4x here. So since this is in fraction now, since this is a fraction now, sorry, this minus 4 is what I've used there already. Since this is a fraction now, I'll put 1 here. Please, this 4. Remember I said wherever you see x, you put this one, please. X. So this is supposed to be here. So I'm now putting equals to x again here, 4x here. So this is how you do it, please. So you cross multiply. So 1 times all this one will still give us all this value back equals to 5 times all this value now. Let me just put it like this so that I would not rush you guys. So I have 8y plus 76 here. Open the bracket now. I'm having 15y, then plus this will give us 90. Don't forget that Don't forget what we got as our y. So from this point now, what do I do now? Collect like terms. So I have that my 8y minus 15y will give us 90 minus 76 here. So this one now is giving me what? Minus 7y. Then here, I'm having it to be minus, to be 21. That's what I'm having. I'm having 14, sorry. 14 here. So if you divide here by minus 7, divided by minus 7 here, I'm having y to become minus 2. So if you check, we got minus 2 as our value, if you check. Now I want to get x. So what do I do now? Say put x and put y equals to minus 2 into equation. So I don't need to go far. Look at, we already say x is equals to all these ones. Into equation 3. So into equation 3. So I'll copy equation 3 out, where I have 2y plus 19 over 5 here. That's what I'm having here. So what do I do next? I will just take this one out and then get my x, and we are done. So from here, anywhere I'm seeing y now, I'll put minus 2. So don't forget what we got as our y. So we see x here becomes minus 2 here plus 19, then over 5 here. This will give us minus 4 plus 19 over 5 here. Do the math. When you remove 4 from here, you are having 15 invariably. Remember that we got our x to be 3. So this cancels this. X becomes 3. So this is how you solve this. It's a very simple and direct thing. Please try and do all you can to share this video. This is how it is done. It is very, very simple. So I'm going to drop for you your practice work. Please put the answer in the comment section, and then I'm going to respond to you. So for this one, I'll put this as your practice work. Just practice it and then drop your answer in the comment section, and I will get back to you. So this is your own work to do here. So we have 2m minus n give us 5, and then we have 3m plus 2n will give us minus 24. So this is it. It's very simple. Very simple. So we are doing this. Drop your answer in the comment section. See you in the other class. Bye-bye.